This Ninja coffee maker is literally one of my favorite coffee pots I've ever had in my entire life. I always loved the Keurig, but to be quite honest, I'm pretty damn cheap. So buying those coffee pods just suck. This, I can make a whole pot, or I can make a single serve cup using just grounds, no coffee pod whatsoever. I love this. It has a special measuring spoon that attaches to the side that tells you exactly how many scoops you need to use depending on how many ounces you're brewing. I hate stale coffee, so I prefer to brew 1 cup at a time for me. My husband prefers a whole pot. This is definitely the best of both worlds.